Hello everybody, Mr. Comparison here. Today we will be rating the Hungry Man Smoking Backyard Barbecue. We're just gonna get this up and running real quick. This is what it looks like. Yeah, so you just gotta cook it up for 4.5 minutes. Well, while we wait, I'm just gonna tell you guys a little thing about the Hungry Man. It's so easy to do, it's just freezer food, just put it up in the oven. So we got another 3 minutes, and then after, you just gotta remove the brownie. You gotta stir the potatoes and rearrange the patties, and then after that, just put it in for another 2 minutes, and it's done. Really easy to make, and it tastes pretty good too. But we will be the test. Alright, so 4 minutes is up. All we gotta do is just take out that brownie. Quick. Alright, so we just gotta take out the brownie. It looks pretty good, honestly. The rest is like fucking stuck in there. Stir up the potatoes. Potatoes are still kind of frozen. Can't really stir them up. And then flip over the Oh, hell nah. This one's smaller than usual. It's like... Oh, wow. That's gay. Alright, now we just put it back in there for 2 more minutes, and it's done. Just like that. Boom. Come back at y'all. Anyways, while we finish waiting for that thing to cook, the brownie, like, the texture is really good, honestly. It tastes good too. Oh yeah. That's a good ass brownie, honestly. This is about done. Watch out. Woo, that's hot. Alright. So, here comes the main dish. For some reason, this one looks very small. I could have sworn it was bigger. I don't know. Just gonna wait for it to cool down a little bit. Okay, so it's cooled down already. The way I'm going to be reviewing these stuff is they have 10 stars. All right, 3 of the stars is for price. How much does it cost? 5 of the stars is for how good does it taste, and the other 2 stars is for the length and time. How long does it take me to be able to eat it from it cooking in the microwave, Because, like, if I'm at restaurants and I'm doing other food reviews and stuff, like, how long does it take for them to give me my food? That's what we're going to be reviewing it on. So, yeah. It's okay. It's okay. It could have a lot more flavor, but I mean, it's frozen food, So, that's hot as fuck. This one's good. This pork chop kind of thing, this one is good. Yeah, 100%. The mashed potatoes are whatever, like the texture to them is weird, honestly, and then it doesn't really have that much flavor. Yeah, there's no way that these mashed potatoes can relate to like any homemade mashed potatoes, you know. And then they also come with corn. And I already ate all the brownie because the brownie was amazing, man. That shit was amazing. And the corn tastes like corn, honestly. So it's really gonna come down to the the meats again. It's okay. It's okay. But the pork chop is good. Yeah. So price, it only costs like $2 for each Hungry Man meal, and for $2 for like all of this food, you get all of this and the brownie that I already finished for $2. I mean, I would give it price 3 out of 3 stars. From the taste, uh, I'll give it like a 3 out of 5. You know, just cause the mashed potatoes and all that, and the darker meat. This one right here, I think it's steak, rib. I don't know what the hell. Um, it just didn't taste that good. Same thing with mashed potatoes, but it really carried the pork chop and the brownie. That thing was amazing, man. And then the length and time you had to make 4, 5, 6.5 minutes for it to cook. So it's a 1.5 out of 2. So what is that? Let me see. Out of 10 minus 2, 1.5. That's 7.5. So 7.5 stars out of 10, guys, for this Hungry Man meal, the Smoking Backyard Barbecue. 7.5 stars out of 10. So that's my food review for today, guys.